Google launches SynthID for AI content detection.
Google has introduced SynthID, a watermarking technology designed to identify AI-generated content across various formats. This system embeds an invisible watermark into content created with Google's Gemini AI models, allowing for identification during scans. The technology works by assigning probability values to predicted outputs during content generation, effectively creating a signature for the content produced. While SynthID aims to enhance the integrity of online information, experts caution that watermarks can be vulnerable to tampering and may not be entirely foolproof. Google has made SynthID accessible for developers, encouraging the integration of these protective measures in AI applications.
Advancements in AI speech generation technology.
Google DeepMind has made strides in generating natural, dynamic speech for digital interactions through its advanced technologies. Recent developments include features like NotebookLM audio overviews, which transform documents into engaging dialogues with AI hosts. The underlying research builds on previous models like SoundStorm, SoundStream, and AudioLM to create high-quality audio efficiently. Their latest system can generate 2 minutes of dialogue in under 3 seconds, significantly faster than real time. Google is also incorporating watermarking technology to prevent misuse of AI-generated audio content.
Claude 3.5 Sonnet moves forward in SWE bench scores.
The upgraded Claude 3.5 Sonnet scored 49% on SWE Bench Verified, surpassing the previous leading model's score of 45%. SWE Bench evaluates AI models on real software engineering tasks, specifically resolving GitHub issues in popular Python repositories. The model is equipped with an agent system that combines a language model with software scaffolding, which greatly enhances performance. With a focus on error-proofing tools and improved coding strategies, Claude 3.5 Sonnet showcases better reasoning and problem-solving abilities than earlier versions.
Waymo develops AI training model for robotaxis using Gemini.
Waymo is leveraging Google's Gemini to create a new training model named Emma for its robotaxis, focusing on autonomous driving. Emma processes sensor data to predict future trajectories for driverless vehicles, enhancing their decision-making capabilities. This marks a significant shift as Waymo aims to integrate multimodal large language models into autonomous driving rather than limiting their use to traditional tasks. While Emma shows promise in trajectory prediction and obstacle detection, it faces challenges including the inability to process 3D sensor inputs and risks associated with LLMs, requiring further research.
Waymo develops new vision-based driving model, Emma.
Waymo has introduced a new AI driving system called Emma, based on Google's Gemini large language model, LLM. This system uses visual data from cameras to create driving plans without relying on high-definition maps or traditional programming methods. Emma incorporates self-supervised learning and can articulate its decision-making process in English, enhancing transparency. Despite its promising capabilities, the system remains in research phases and faces challenges with data handling and real-world application.
GitHub Copilot expands support with new large language models.
GitHub Copilot now supports multiple large language models, expanding beyond OpenAI exclusive options. The newly added models include Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Gemini 1.5 Pro, and OpenAI's O1 Preview, along with O1 Mini. This transition aims to enhance code generation by offering developers a choice of models tailored for their needs. Additionally, GitHub introduced GitHub Spark, an AI tool for creating applications using natural language without significant cloud resource consumption.
NVIDIA unveils Hover, a compact AI model for humanoid robots.
NVIDIA has developed a compact neural network called Hover, which outperforms specialized systems in controlling humanoid robots while using only 1.5 million parameters. This model can process multiple input methods, including head and hand tracking from XR devices and full body poses from motion capture systems. Hover was trained in NVIDIA's Isaac simulation environment, enabling 1 year of training to be compressed into just 50 minutes of real GPU time, and it transitions seamlessly from simulation to real robots without the need for fine-tuning. The system's success across various control methods suggests a deep understanding of physical concepts like balance and limb movement, differentiating it from models designed for single input types.
Meta and OpenAI race to develop AI search engines.
Meta is developing its own AI search engine to integrate with its Meta AI tool, moving away from reliance on Google and Bing. The company has partnered with Reuters to provide news for this new platform, while OpenAI is also building its Search GPT system with content from The Atlantic. Emerging technologies are shifting towards agentic AI, enabling systems to perform complex tasks and make autonomous decisions. As advancements continue, expect to see more AI models capable of reasoning and adapting to real-time situations across various industries.
Meta advances its AI efforts amidst spending surge.
Meta has reported a 35% increase in profit, driven by advancements in its artificial intelligence systems for ad targeting and content suggestions. The company continues to invest heavily in AI, spending $23.2 billion on various costs in the third quarter, including AI infrastructure and metaverse projects. Recently, Meta introduced new AI tools for video generation that automate editing and integrate sound effects, alongside virtual reality headsets and augmented reality glasses. CEO Mark Zuckerberg noted that AI advancements are positively impacting Meta's applications, which have over 3.29 billion daily users.
GitHub Universe 2024 unveils advanced AI development tools.
GitHub Universe 2024 showcased significant advancements in AI-driven software development, introducing new AI capabilities to empower developers worldwide. The new multi-model integration for GitHub Copilot allows developers to choose from various AI models, including Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro, catering to specific project requirements. GitHub Spark, a fresh AI-native platform, enables non-technical users to participate in software development using natural language, addressing the need for rapid application delivery. The platform's integration with VS Code enhances AI-assisted development efficiency, offering features like multi-file editing, Copilot autofix, and improved security measures.
Advancements in AI agent development with Gemini API.
The Gemini API enhances the development of AI agents by offering significant cost savings and powerful language processing capabilities, allowing enterprises to deploy agents more affordably at scale. AgentOps provides valuable monitoring and data insights for every interaction within multi-agent systems, ensuring efficiency and reliability in production environments. By integrating AgentOps with the Gemini API, developers can streamline their workflows and effectively manage costs, empowering them to focus on creating advanced AI solutions.
OpenAI enhances real-time API with new voices and cost reductions.
OpenAI has introduced 5 new expressive voices for its real-time API, aimed at improving speech-to-speech applications. The company is also reducing costs significantly through prompt caching, offering discounts of 50% on cached text inputs and 80% on audio inputs. The API's native speech-to-speech feature allows lower latency and nuanced output, although real-time audio processing may still face challenges due to network conditions.
Google's Gemini API sees massive growth with future AI innovations ahead.
Google's Gemini API has experienced a remarkable 14-fold increase in usage over the past 6 months, indicating strong integration within its major products, potentially impacting 2 billion users. The company is preparing to launch Gemini 2.0 and a new navigation agent called Jarvis in December, which promises advanced capabilities similar to its Project Astra multimodal AI assistant. AI is increasingly contributing to Google's operations, with over 25% of its new code generated by AI, showcasing significant efficiency enhancements in software development.
Microsoft's AI business reaches new heights.
Microsoft's AI division is on track to exceed a $10 billion annual run rate this quarter. CEO Satya Nadella commented on the current strained relationship with OpenAI. This growth marks a significant achievement for Microsoft in the competitive AI landscape.
Google reports boost in AI-driven productivity and engagement.
Google's CEO Sundar Pichai stated that engineers are using AI to generate over 25% of new code, enhancing productivity and efficiency. The AI Overview feature is now utilized by over 1 billion users monthly and is experiencing increased engagement as users ask more complex questions. Pichai expressed excitement about NVIDIA's new Blackwell AI chips, expecting Google to be among the first to deploy them at scale.
Microsoft reveals first equity investment in OpenAI.
Microsoft has disclosed its first equity investment in OpenAI, committing a total of $13 billion according to recent SEC filings. Previously regarded as merely a partnership, this relationship has now evolved, with Microsoft reporting losses related to its stake in OpenAI. This shift to an equity method of accounting reflects a significant change in their financial relationship, marking a new phase in their collaboration.
AMD aims to bridge AI chip gap with NVIDIA.
AMD's CEO Lisa Su announced that the company has made significant progress in closing the gap with NVIDIA in the AI chip market, although NVIDIA still holds over 80% share in GPUs. The upcoming MI325X accelerator chip is set to begin production this year, with a wider release planned for early 2025, as AMD also prepares to compete with NVIDIA's Blackwell chip through the MI350 series next year. Despite a recent revenue growth of 18%, analysts pointed out that AMD's market presence remains limited, estimating its share in the AI market is only around 5%.
Google Cloud's AI-driven growth signals opportunity for competitors.
Google Cloud's impressive revenue growth of 35% in the third quarter indicates a rising demand for AI-supported computing services. The integration of AI technologies, including the generative chatbot Gemini, has enhanced Google Cloud's offerings, attracting more customers to its services. Despite having less AI capacity than Amazon and Microsoft, Google's focus on custom AI chips and ongoing investments in data centers position it for continued growth in the competitive cloud market.
Google's AI contributions in code growth.
Sundar Pichai revealed that over 25% of Google's new code is generated by AI, marking a significant development in the company's ongoing AI initiatives. The growth in AI-driven tools has also led to increased customer adoption and improved revenue across Google's cloud services. Alphabet's focus on AI is changing its hiring strategy and reshaping operations, aiming for enhanced efficiency across the organization.
Microsoft's growth driven by AI adoption and cloud demand.
Microsoft's recent quarterly revenue rose 16% to $65.6 billion, fueled by increasing demand for its AI and cloud computing services. The company revealed that AI services were a significant factor in its capital expenditure growth, accounting for 12 percentage points of the increase as customers utilized Microsoft's data centers for custom AI models. Microsoft is expanding its AI offerings, developing in-house products powered by ChatGPT models, and investing in international AI initiatives, reflecting its push to capitalize on the AI boom.
Archon Biosciences unveils AI-driven antibody innovations.
Archon Biosciences has emerged from stealth with $20 million in seed funding to enhance drug development through AI-designed antibody cages that boost treatment effectiveness. The company leverages generative protein design technology developed at Baker Lab to create these antibody cages, increasing the likelihood of binding to target proteins. Archon's approach aims to overcome traditional limitations in antibody treatments by providing a structured method for enhancing drug efficacy and reliability.
Emerging trends in AI cybersecurity startups.
The latest Fortune Cyber 60 list reveals startups focused on developing cybersecurity tools that address emerging AI threats and vulnerabilities created by in-house AI efforts. Survey findings show that 87% of chief information security officers believe AI will influence their cybersecurity vendor choices in the coming year, highlighting its growing significance in the field. Startups on the list are emphasizing critical areas such as data security with generative AI, cloud infrastructure security, and identity management as they adapt to the evolving threat landscape.
Chanel CEO's ChatGPT experience reveals AI biases in gender representation.
Lena Nair, Chanel's CEO, discovered that ChatGPT depicted her leadership team as entirely male when asked for an image during a visit to Microsoft HQ. Despite Chanel's workforce being 76% women and a female-centric clientele, the AI model failed to represent this diversity accurately. An OpenAI spokesperson acknowledged ongoing biases in AI and emphasized efforts to improve models to reduce such inaccuracies.